Hello and welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and today I'm gonna be your host for the weekly market outlook. In this session, we're gonna go through all the analysis for the upcoming week on the Forex and commodity market. Also, keep watching till the end as you may be interested in the latest cryptocurrency news and trends. So let's start off with EURUSD. Last week we were expecting the market to give us a small correction and then reach the confluence between the resistance and the trend line. Instead, the market made a small move up and then started a deeper correction. For next week, we are expecting the price to gather some momentum and reach the target that we were expecting last week. So for this week, we are expecting the price to start a deeper pullback and reach the confluence between the resistance and the trend line. Moving on to pound USD. In our previous forecast, we were expecting the British pound to start a bullish correction, but we also said that if the market makes a small consolidation here, we'll have a great chance to go for one more low. So the market made that consolidation, broke the low again, and right now it is still moving sideways. So for this week, we are expecting the price to start a bullish correction, and for that we will want the market to break this area here and then make a pullback. And afterwards we can see the price reaching the orange trend line. If not, if we stay here for a while and correct, we'll get one more low. We'll only focus on the buy setups because the shorts are short-lived, and we will expect the market to give us this correction at some point, and afterwards we will see if we go with the sell or not. For dollar yen, in our previous forecast, we were expecting the price to make a consolidation after the trendline breakout and continue the bearish trend. So as you can see, the market basically respected our analysis, and for the coming week, we are expecting the price to make a small consolidation here and reach the support level. Moving on to Australian dollar versus the US dollar. We finally broke the low that we were expecting it to be broken. So right now the market has a strong bearish momentum. So the next move for Aussie USD will be a small correction and another down wave. The bigger picture for this pair is that at some point we'll start a bullish wave, but for now we don't have any signs that the trend is changing. So if we get here a correction, we'll go with another sell. If not, if we get a strong reversal followed by a correction, then most likely we'll start a bullish move. Dollar CAD. For dollar CAD, we're expecting the price to continue the bullish momentum and eventually break this area here, the previous top. We didn't get a pullback as we wanted to, and the price corrected in the direction of the trend. But at some point, we expect this pullback to occur. After this pullback occurs, we'll wait for our buy setups, and we expect the market to break the previous top here. So my suggestion is to wait for this consolidation to occur, and afterwards we can go with the longs. Moving on to gold. For gold, last week we were expecting the market to make another drop after it corrected. So far so good. The market dropped, and right now we expect the pair to give us a deeper consolidation. This move has two possibilities. We see two scenarios in here. The first one is that we make a complex pullback for bearish continuation, or if we get a strong wave towards the upside and make a consolidation here, then most likely the price will go on and break the top and reach the 1900 levels. So keep an eye on both scenarios. If you get here pullback, a consolidation, a corrective wave, a sideways move, then we'll definitely go for one more low. If not, if the market makes a strong impulse followed by a correction, then we'll go up and break the previous top. Moving on to silver. For silver, we were expecting the price to correct and continue the bearish trend. So far so good. And right now we're expecting the price to make a deeper consolidation in here, possibly test this resistance level before going for one more low. So keep an eye on silver. This could be a good sell if this correction occurs. And afterwards, after we break this low, then we will get a nice, we'll look for buy setups because the daily trend and also the weekly trend is in a good shape. So we had this strong move up, then followed by this correction. So after we break this low, we'll watch for our buy setups. This would be the next move for silver on the bigger picture. Moving on to US oil. Last week we were expecting oil to continue the bearish trend, but at the same time we were expecting the market to give us a complex consolidation. Instead, the market dropped without looking back, and for this week we can see the price making here starting a consolidation that will gather more bearish momentum for a future for the downtrend. On a bigger scale, on the daily, this is only a correction. As you can see, we had this strong impulse towards the upside with small corrections in between. So at some point we were expecting that the market will give us a bigger degree correction. So on the daily chart, you can see that this correction should occur here for another drop. Afterwards, the market will continue the uptrend. So keep an eye on the 4 hours for a pullback, and that will be a nice sell setup. We can go in the medium term to the $50 level, and then I can see it resuming the uptrend. Natural gas. For natural gas, the market moved as we expected. We forecasted two scenarios last week. We were expecting both of them were bearish. First one was that we expected the market to make a pullback, a deeper pullback, and then a reversal. And the second one was to see a drop from this level. So the second one came out to be true. And right now, for this week, we're expecting the market to finish this bearish momentum. It could make here a correction and then make one more move down, but at some point we'll expect the market to start a small uptrend, a corrective uptrend, and reach this resistance or the orange trend line. If this happens, then this would be another chance to sell it, a good level to sell it. As well as the US oil, this is only a daily correction. We can see the market resuming the uptrend shortly after the correction is finished. So wait for the correction to occur, wait for this pullback, then we can go with the sell, and afterwards we'll look for our buy setups. Moving on to copper. For copper, we expected the price to continue the bearish trend. We were expecting the market to give us a correction here and then make one more drop. The market moved messy all week long, so for this week we can see the market correcting here and then making another drop. So for copper, we see correction and then bearish continuation. Let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. Last week, we were expecting Bitcoin to break this low again and then start a reversal. The market reversed, but unfortunately this correction didn't play it out as we expected. We expected the price to gather more momentum and make a new all-time high. As it stands for now, we can see that the market made another drop here. So if the market continues to make small corrections, then we will go down again. Only thing that can change our mind right now is that if the market breaks this trend line and corrects above, then we have a 70% chance to go on and break the stop. If not, if we get sideways moves in here, then we'll continue going lower. So this could be the start of the crypto winter, but we should wait and see. Right now nothing is clear. This could also come here, break the low once more, and then reverse. So we have to take it step by step. For Binance Coin, we can see the pair dropping. we had this wave down followed by this sideways move, and right now we can see the market started a drop, and we'll wait for the price to break this blue trend line, and then if we get a correction underneath, then we can go with the sell. We can go into the 450 level and break this low here. So Binance Coin, watch for a sell setup. All the cryptos look like they started either a deeper correction, either a crypto winter. So have to wait and see. Ethereum. For Ethereum, we last week we were expecting the price to break this low and then start a reversal. So the price basically respected our analysis. The only thing is that we expected the price to break the top again, make a new all-time high. Instead, the market reversed shortly afterwards, made a correction, and then dropped. So right now, at this moment in time, for Ethereum, we can see the market correcting here and make another drop. So Ethereum is as well bearish as the other crypto pairs. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is similar to the other ones. We can see it dropping even lower. We can see the market correcting here and making another drop. If you look closely, we would expect the market to break this level here, the 16 cents level. So wait for the market to correct, wait for the sell setup, and afterwards you can look for buy setups, because this would be a good level to buy. You can buy it at a cheaper price. At 15 cents is a pretty cheap level compared to the all-time high, which I'm pretty sure that in the future will break this top again. So wait for the market to break this support level and then look for your buy setups. And finishing with XRP. For XRP, we were expecting the market to continue the downtrend last week. So far so good. The market made a drop, and right now we can see it breaking the support level and the September low. So we'll wait for our corrections, wait for the market to finish this bearish impulse. I don't know, this could also go lower than this. It could go to the 15 cents to the 50 cents level, and afterwards we'll look for our buy setups. On the bigger picture, Ripple looks very bullish. We have this impulse followed by this correction, and we'll expect another bullish wave to follow. But firstly, we'll need to wait for this correction to finish. So wait for your flags, wait for the market to drop, and then start looking for buy setups. If the price action looks bearish and sideways, don't get in any trades. That would be our advice. Wait for the market to give you a clear pattern and a clear reversal. So that should be all for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please spread the word out, share it with your friends, help us with a like, a comment, and if you want to analyze, if you want us to analyze a different asset, leave us a comment below on YouTube, and we'll do a free analysis for you guys. So until next time, stay safe, trade with care, and have a wonderful trading week ahead.